Today we're making easy pizza. What I did was I made homemade bread the other day, so I cut a piece of a loaf of the homemade bread. I cut it in 3 pieces. See, that's the bottom, middle, top. What we're going to do is just put whatever your favorite kind of pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce is. We're going to put it on there. We already preheated the oven, 375. Put the sauce on. All of these. Spread it around. You're going to take whatever kind of toppings you like, pepperoni, sausage, onions, peppers, whatever you want to put on it, whatever you have in the house. Just put it on there. I'm just going to put pepperoni and cheese on it. Just spread out the sauce really good, because it'll soak in the bread while it bakes. This is just an easy 5-minute meal. If you have all you need is any kind of pizza sauce. I have Italian style cheese. This is the provolone mozzarella cheese. And we'll put some pepperoni on. You can use French bread too, or you can use Italian bread. Just cut it in 3 sections, and in 15 minutes you'll have pizza. It's a nice, easy way to make a snack. And everybody likes pizza, right? And you can top it with whatever toppings you like on your pizza, whatever you have in the house. And we're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, and it should be done. It's been in the oven for about 10 minutes. So you see the cheese is starting to melt. Pepperoni's starting to curl up. So we're going to leave it in about another 10 minutes. So altogether it's going to take 20 minutes to bake. Our pizza just came out of the oven. Look how nice. It was 375 for 20 minutes. All you need to make this is a loaf of homemade bread or Italian bread, and you just slice it in 3 sections, the bottom, the middle, and the top, about 1 inch thick. Put your favorite spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce on it, your favorite kind of cheese. I used a provolone and mozzarella. And then your toppings would be, I use pepperoni, but you can use sausage, peppers, onions, mushrooms, whatever you like. Put it on, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and you've got pizza. Easy, easy lunch or snack. Till next time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I do have a dessert cookbook on Amazon.